Isn't it cold?
It's so freezing.
Whoa. We're barefoot. Oh my god, look what she made. The floor.
Wait. Okay. Whew. I sent like a small video of myself like playing around the snow to my cousin who's still living back in Korea. It barely snows in Korea, so we sent a video to show how it's going around, and he saw my pajamas and he was like, wait, isn't that from like 3 years ago? I'm like, yeah. 저 이미 한바탕 다 쓸어줬어요. 이렇게 가라지 보면은 여긴 다 클린하죠? Wow, look at that. He's coming for me, guys.
너무 깊어. 와, 점점 깊어지는데? 농부츠 안 신었으면 큰일 날 뻔했다. 어? 오, 차가워, 차가워. 오, 너무 차가워. 제 발자국들.
Kaya, what are you watching?
Okay, we're gonna build a snowman. It's pretty simple than I thought.
Why are you watching this video? What does this man gotta say about building a snowman?
Well, like a small ball, and then
You're
we
being
just
serious?
yeah.
She's
We
being
just roll
serious.
it down.
She's zipping my coat for me.
It's not working.
You did the work. I haven't worn this coat in like 2 years because last year it didn't snow this much, but this year I don't know what happened, but it's going out crazy, so let's go out. Let's go. Whoa. The sky's so pretty. It's like a natural Christmas tree over there. Do you see that? Someone already stepped on. I don't know. Whoa! This is the deepest I've gone so far. We look like a bunch of 5 years old who are like excited about snow.
Oh my god,
It's so cold. We look cute. No, we don't. It looks like a small trail. Like when you go down, there'd be like Narnia or whatever. It was his name like Edward or something. The main character's brother, Lucy's brother. Was it Edward?
yeah.
No, I think it was Edmond. It was Edmond, and then he got like a delight Turkish.
Just do it.
I'm kind of scared. I don't know why.
Whoa. Are you like stretching?
I'm getting down.
What?
This is how my pajamas are.
That was such a fail.
You look so flat. It's like someone killed you. Hey, that's
That's a pretty nice angel.
I guess. I mean, you shoved really hard to see that grass over there.
Yeah.
We're actually gonna make a snowman. And we brought like ski gloves here. See? We're gonna wear this and then let's make it.
Let's go for it.
That was so awkward. I'll say no man, you can do the job when you're in town. I'm like halfway done and I'm so tired, but this is not what I expected it to be. So this is the arm. I have my Samsung notebook right now and a notes and a pen, a really cute pen. Got this from Korea. If you look, I have like a bunch of mood lights. I don't know why I have them for the exam, but I just got it like a few days ago. And yeah, it's kind of cool. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I'm gonna be referring to this formula sheet that I wrote. Accept. It's really
Jajang noodles.
You look dead.
What?
We spent like 3 hours outside.
Yeah.
Right? But we didn't even finish it. We're gonna continue tomorrow and I have a final tomorrow. I don't know how that's gonna
I
go.
have 5 tests next week because it's before the break.
Okay, so what we did yesterday was we put the ball on top of his body. I finished making his arm. You see right here, it kind of looks like penguin, but we'll see how it turns out. And then we're gonna start like filling out the space here. Cause you know, if you look at the character, it doesn't have like a distinct head, if you know what I mean. Okay, so now this is what we have. We finished filling up the void right here.
And now we're gonna make his eyes, the goggles.
Yeah, we're gonna make his goggles. I don't know if this is gonna stick. I don't think it will. Whew. Okay, well, it's not a bad start. Okay, that's a strong one. Oops. We're pretty much done, right?
Yeah, that looks a pretty nice goggle.
I think his eyes are pretty big enough.
And I think we should like more make this part round.
Okay. Well, let's just like take this part out.
Yeah.
I feel like an artist. And then, as you guys know, he should have like his legs, his feet. But I don't know how we're gonna do it because, you know, we started out from the bottom.
Yeah, we're gonna have to like
Carve the whole thing.
Hole.
Maybe we should bring like a knife. What I thought was just like, you know, carve out with my fingers. Yeah, it does kind of look like his legs, right? Okay, so we have his thigh gap.
Thigh gap. We should make this part rounder so that it will look more natural.
He looks legit. I'm so happy. Like, look at that.
It's like a child.
Ta-da!
안 보이냐?